It's crazy how much money you can make creating shorts on YouTube these days, and with all the amazing AI tools out there, automating the video creation process has never been easier, especially for beginners who are just getting started. Hey everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. We're going to show you how to launch and grow a YouTube Shorts channel quickly, easily, and most importantly, creatively, using Vid.AI. Whether you're brand new to YouTube or already a pro creator, Vid.AI is the must-have AI tool for making high-quality, engaging shorts that stand out from the crowd. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire process, from coming up with ideas to adding those finishing touches. So if you're ready to create eye-catching shorts but feel a little overwhelmed by the content grind, don't worry. Vid.AI simplifies everything, helping you turn your ideas into polished, professional videos in no time. Let's take a look at how it works. Before diving into content ideation and planning, you'll want to decide on the niche for your YouTube channel. AI-generated shorts are super trendy right now, okay? And there are about 6 to 10 top niches that can really help you cash in. As I mentioned earlier, we're using Vid.AI, an awesome video creation tool that's also sponsoring today's video. Big thanks to them. We'll be using their platform to create a short-form video for our channel. And what's even more impressive about Vid is that it can generate up to 100 videos in just minutes. Plus, it's so user-friendly that anyone can use it. Once you sign up, you will be brought up to this page. The Vid.AI interface is really simple and straightforward. Right now, Vid.AI offers tools for creating faceless shorts, fake texts. Other features like Reddit stories, auto captions, and split screen are still being developed, okay? So keep an eye out for those. To begin, click on the Faceless Shorts option. Under the popular topic, you can select the type of video style you want, be it motivational stories, fun facts, scary stories, and all of that. And the AI will automatically create the video for you, including the script and all other elements based on your selection. Now here's where the magic happens. All you need to do is give the AI a single prompt, and it will create an entire video for you. The same thing works if you have a script. Once you submit your script, the AI takes over and generates the whole video based on what you've written. Right now, I'm about to create our short form video with just a few clicks. All right, let's dive into creating our motivational story. We'll keep it short and sweet, about 30 to 60 seconds. Feel free to go longer if you'd like. Now let's talk about choosing the perfect voice for your story.
Trust yourself. You know more than you think you do.
Not bad, right? These AI voices are amazing. They sound so lifelike, almost like a real person is narrating. You can pick based on gender, voice type, or even the country of origin.
You got to be careful if you don't know where you're going because you might not get there.
Ideas are the beginning points of all fortunes.
I have a casual, smooth, and sexy voice that you can use for anything you want.
Sounds awesome, doesn't it? Well, once you're happy with your choice, just hit the save button and we'll move on. Next up, picking the video source. This is a key part of your video's vibe. You can choose from styles like anime, cinematic, or even comic art. And you'll get a preview of what your video could look like. For our project, let's go with cubism. Not bad, I guess. Now that we have selected the image style for the video, further down, you have the option to choose the viral video style, which is super engaging and sure to capture attention. Or if you're into something more dynamic, you can go for the gameplay style, giving your video that exciting video game movement feel. So feel free to choose your preferable video style, but we'll stick with cubism for this one. Once you're ready, just click on Generate Content and you're all set to go. Amazing! We've got our script ready, and the best part? Vid.AI has automatically generated images that perfectly match each section of the script, almost like a visual for every sentence, okay? Which kind of gives you creative freedom while saving you the time and effort of sourcing images. Of course, if you want to make any adjustments to the script, you can easily edit it. And if you'd like to change the images, just hit the Regenerate button. You can also upload your own images, but remember to make sure you have the rights to use them to avoid any copyright issues. For now, I'll regenerate the intro image. And there it is. Everything's looking great so far. Once you're happy with everything, just click the next button to move forward. Now, a quick reminder, always add background music to your shorts video. It's what really brings the video to life and makes it captivating. I'm going to choose a track that fits the vibe of our story. you will suffer. And I think this one sounds perfect. Next, let's move on to the advanced settings. My recommendation: leave the settings as they are by default. They work really well. But feel free to adjust them to your liking if you want, okay? And that's it. Once you're happy with everything, just hit the generate button and let the magic happen. It only takes a few seconds to create your video. Finally, our video is here. In less than 5 minutes, we created a high-quality YouTube Shorts video, no technical skills required.
Every great journey begins with a single step, a leap into the unknown. Imagine standing on the precipice of your dreams, heart racing with possibility. Life is a complex tapestry, woven with challenges and opportunities. Time may seem fleeting, yet it's the moments we seize that define us. Remember, you're never alone on
Pretty
this.
awesome, right? Now that you've learned how to make YouTube Shorts using AI, the next step is setting up your channel. The motivational niche works really well on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and of course YouTube. All you need to do is create multiple YouTube Shorts with Vid.AI and share them on Facebook and Instagram, okay? And this is how you can start making money online by posting AI-generated shorts. Take a look at this channel. It has over 13 million views, and it's entirely driven by AI-generated videos focused on storytelling. You'll notice that each video gets a decent amount of views, right? Now, this is how much they're making just from YouTube, according to Social Blade. And I can tell you for sure they're monetized on Facebook and Instagram too. Trust me, it's not rocket science. I mean, I just showed you how to create one, okay? Vid.AI has made this process so much easier. Plus, the platform offers about 6 hot niches to choose from. So pick the one that suits you best and get started. I also gave it a go by pasting my story script, and let me tell you, the AI generated something pretty amazing.
In a small, dimly lit apartment, an elderly woman, Martha, sits at a table surrounded by old photographs and a small, neatly wrapped gift box. Her hands tremble as she picks up a photo of a young man smiling, her eyes well up with tears. In flashback, young Martha and young James are laughing, walking hand in hand through a park, the gift box in her hand. The sound of their laughter echoes. Back in the present, Martha slowly opens the box. Inside, a faded letter with "For you always" written in bold, familiar handwriting. She reads aloud softly. "No matter where life takes us, this is my promise." A tear falls, but she smiles. She places the letter on her chest, clutching it close. Martha walks to the window,
Did
gazing.
you catch all the details in the video? Probably not. You might want to do a quick playback and check it out. Well, as I mentioned earlier, this AI was created by Matt Parr from the Make Money Matt channel. You've probably seen his videos floating around the internet. Matt has made a ton of money with YouTube automation, and he's got about 12 channels. Coming from someone like Matt, who's super successful in the YouTube space, it just makes sense to take advantage of this AI tool. This is one of the easiest ways to make money right now, without needing any experience or a big budget. So when setting up your YouTube channel, the key is to keep things simple, okay? Choose a name that clearly reflects what your channel is all about, just like this, guys. You can even look at your competitors for inspiration. It's a great way to learn from their style, okay? And remember, simplicity works. Also, don't forget to post consistently. The YouTube algorithm loves regular uploads because it helps get your videos out there. I hope this was super helpful. If you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up. Now click on the link in the description box to get started with Vid.AI. See you soon. Bye.